Welcome to my video Know Your Private Label Rights, Understanding PLR Resell Rights to Make Money Online. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. People who use private label rights content are delighted to see more PLR sites appearing. The explosion of such sites has, however, given rise to a new problem: the overall quality of the articles users pay for. Good and reliable writers are snapped up fast and given ongoing work. Regrettably, some PLR site owners seem to be only concerned with getting a batch of articles uploaded no matter what the quality. Competition, as we all know, is a good thing. Quite a number of PLR users are now making a practice of signing up to check out the quality of what's on offer in a new site. If they like it, they stay; if they don't, they vote with their feet, or more appropriately, with the "cancel this subscription" option at PayPal. As a subscriber to a PLR site, don't feel that you have to accept the articles you get, no matter what the quality. You are entitled to get articles and ebooks that have been proofread and edited to correct grammar and spelling. It is the responsibility of the PLR site owner to check that the articles are of an acceptable standard or to hire someone to do this for them. PLR users expect to have to tweak and change an article to create unique website content. They should not, however, have to edit every article. We all expect an error to creep in here and there, but an entire batch of articles written by someone whose first language is quite obviously not English is not acceptable. Nobody wants to have to copy, edit every one of 20 articles before turning them into an ebook. If you are not satisfied with the quality of the PLR content, the first and most obvious option is to cancel your subscription. However, you would be doing everyone a favor if you took the time to contact the site owner to explain why you are not happy. Copy and paste a few examples from the articles to demonstrate the errors. In the past, PLR site owners have sent back batches of articles to be corrected and rewritten when they are not satisfied with the job. In extreme cases, they cut their losses and just hired a new writer. Any PLR site owner who wants to build a profitable and well-regarded business will be interested in working with you on this. They don't want to lose customers. If you can't get any satisfaction, move on. Sample the content of several sites. Ask for recommendations from friends or other publishers before you sign up. Look for more than one satisfied customer. Never forget that some reviews are there solely to get you to sign up via the reviewer's affiliate link. Different sites offer different things, and finding a site to suit your needs may be difficult. Some sites offer articles and complete ebooks, sales letters and well-produced graphics. Others provide only articles and a few bonus products. If you are a competent graphic designer and know your way around programs like Photoshop, graphics may not be important to you. Indeed, you may prefer to create your own graphics so your site looks different to everyone else. Some sites offer extras, like web hosting and autoresponders, plus ready-made AdSense sites. If you are just starting out, you may like these all-in-one solutions. Be sure to check the following when looking for a good PLR site to join. What you get for your monthly subscription: articles, ebooks, ecourses, AdSense sites, graphics and sales letters. The quality of the articles that are available, general style, grammar and spelling. Is the content original, not copied from some other source? The regularity with which content is posted. Check out the forum, if there's one available. Are there constant complaints or queries about when each month's content will be available? The range of topics covered. You will find that some sites specialize in one subject area, while others cover a broad range of topics. Are you using enough of the monthly content to make it worth your while? There's not much point in being able to access 200 articles a month if you can use only 5 of them. It's common for PLR users to belong to more than one site. An example: $200 a month spread between 4 to 6 sites comes to only $2,400 a year, which is an excellent business investment compared to the cost of hiring your own writer. Well-written, carefully edited PLR articles are usually well worth the monthly fee. Take the time to assess the content of any PLR site and stay with the ones that believe in quality control, like the Resell Rights Vault. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a 6-figure income online.